A question I get asked constantly is, can DMSO actually make your Shilajit work 10 times better? The answer is yes. If you know the secret to the cellular delivery. You are probably only absorbing a fraction of your Shilajit's power right now. Today, I'm revealing an ancient secret to combine with a modern game changer to unlock its full potential. The Shilajit and DMSO synergy. Get ready for the ultimate mineral reset.
Shilajit, the destroyer of weakness, has over 84 trace minerals and fulvic acid. It's phenomenal, but here's the truth. Our cells are incredibly selective. Just taking Shilajit orally or even mixing it with water doesn't guarantee those precious minerals are actually getting inside where they can do their magic. Many of us are missing out on its true benefits because of poor absorption. This is where the ancient wisdom meets the modern protocol. DMSO. Its ability to penetrate biological membranes is unparalleled. Think of it as the ultimate express lane for nutrients directly into your cells. Now, imagine combining this with Shilajit. When you combine Shilajit with a low percentage DMSO solution, something incredible happens. The DMSO acts like a shuttle, carrying those 84 plus minerals, fulvic acid and humic acid past cellular barriers that would normally block them. This means significantly higher bioavailability and a much more effective mineral reset for your body. This isn't just about detox. It's about remineralization at a cellular level. So how do we do this safely and effectively? Step 1. Your Shilajit. Always choose a pure, authentic source. I have linked to my recommended Shilajit below at the description box. Step 2. Your DMSO, pharma grade 99.9% pure. We'll dilute it down to a 20 to 30% solution for topical application. I also link my recommended DMSO below at the description box. You need to only dilute your DMSO with distilled water and nothing more. I have also linked my recommended distilled water down below at the description box. For a 20% dilution, we use 80 ml of distilled water and mix it with 20 ml of DMSO solution. Step 3. The blend. Take a small pea-sized amount of Shilajit resin, dissolve it in your diluted DMSO solution in a small glass bowl. Stir it with a glass rod or a non-metal stirrer until fully incorporated. Step 4. Application. Apply this blend topically to areas like your forearms, wrists, or the soles of your feet. These areas are excellent for absorption. Allow it to air dry. Remember, always use glass container with DMSO. Now, what you can expect?
What you can expect? Users report enhanced energy, improved cognitive function, better nutrients absorption from food, and a general sense of recharging their system.
The fulvic acid in Shilajit, supercharged by DMSO, also helps chelate heavy metals, making this a double action detox and remineralization protocol.
Perform a patch test first as always and stay hydrated. As always with DMSO, safety is paramount. Always apply to clean and dry skin. DMSO carries everything on your skin, so no lotions or perfumes. Don't forget to drink plenty of purified water. And as always, if you are on medication or have underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before starting any new protocol. This Shilajit and DMSO synergy is a true testament to the power of ancient wisdom combined with natural science. If you are ready to truly reset your mineral balance and experience Shilajit's full potential, give this protocol a try. And if you want to dive deeper into ancient remedies and quantum wellness, remember, listen to my podcast, Mystery Energy. And finally, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Ancient Touch for more powerful insights, and let me know in the comments, have you ever combined Shilajit with DMSO before? I would love to hear your experiences. See you next time.